Welcome to Miss Sharon's Story Time, brought to you by the Morgantown Public Library System. I inadvertently forgot to do this Llama Llama Red Pajama book. That was supposed to be for April 12th, so I'd like to do it today, and that way we can get back on track, okay? It's Llama Llama Red Pajama by Anna Dewdney, and it's from Scholastic. This is a really, really sweet story. Okay. Llama Llama Red Pajama reads a story with his mama. Mama kisses baby's hair. Mama Llama goes downstairs. Llama Llama Red Pajama feels alone without his mama. Baby Llama wants a drink. Mama's at the kitchen sink. Llama Llama Red Pajama calls down to his llama mama. Mama says she'll be up soon. Baby Llama hums a tune. Llama Llama Red Pajama waiting for his mama. Mama isn't coming yet. Baby Llama starts to fret. Llama Llama Red Pajama whispers softly for his mother. Mama Llama hears the phone. Baby Llama starts to moan. Llama Llama Red Pajama listens quiet for his mama. What is Mama Llama doing? Baby Llama starts boo-hooing. Llama Llama Red Pajama hollers loudly for his mama. Baby Llama stomps and pouts. Baby Llama jumps and shouts. Llama Llama Red Pajama in the dark without his mama. Eyes wide open, covers drawn. What if Mama Llama's gone? Llama Llama Red Pajama, weeping, wailing for his mama. Will his mama ever come? Mama Llama, run, run, run. And here she comes running to him to see what's wrong. Baby Llama, what a tizzy. Sometimes Mama's very busy. Please stop all this llama drama and be patient for your mama. Little llama, don't you know? Mama Llama loves you so. Mama Llama's always near, even if she's not right here. Llama Llama Red Pajama gets 2 kisses from his mama. Snuggles pillow, soft and deep. Baby Llama goes to sleep. Oh, that's such a sweet book. Okay, if you picked up a packet at the library that had this in it, I'd like to go over this with you. Okay, first of all, there's a llama, llama, dot to dot. There is an L for llama, llama. And then there are 2 stick puppets, and I included popsicle sticks in that. And you can cut these out and attach them to the popsicle sticks and put on your own little story. And then also you will find in the packet this little paper, and it tells you about my story time. Okay, also last Saturday I read Does a Kangaroo Have a Mother Too? And you'll be able to pick up those packets during the week, okay? So I will see you soon. Keep reading. Bye-bye.